Well, ahoy hoy Sonic Moto fans, I am Sonic Moto, and it has been way too long since I've done an actual vlog, so I'm sure I'll be a little rusty. The reason why is, though, I've just been plagued with all the GoPro issues, specifically audio. In fact, in a few more days, audio will maybe be restored back to how it's supposed to work. But GoPro is sending me their third $50 microphone adapter because the first two have failed on me, either through use or from day one. Like the second microphone adapter that they sent me just did not work at all. And so, yeah, that's an issue, major issue. For now, though, I fixed the issue by throwing money at it, and I've gotten a Zoom H1n. Zoom H1n is a portable little audio recorder, and I've plugged the Purple Panda microphone that Walterific uses in his videos, and that's run directly into that unit. And I got it at a limit feature, which apparently limits it to 6 dB. Should be pretty cool. We'll see how it sounds in post-production and all that jazz, but yeah, I'm curious to see how it all sounds and operates. It definitely sounds better than the freaking GoPro, because that wouldn't record any audio at all. I love having audio. Whew, it's windy and cold. Unfortunately, this means having power running to a power brick in my jacket, and then also audio from the microphone running into my jacket to the audio recorder. So that's 2 cables out from my helmet. I may find a way to sort of combine those and twist them together. That way I don't have like 2 separate cables that I'm working with. I just want to sort of minimize all the cables I got linked from my helmet to my jacket, less stress points and failure points in the grand scheme of things, right? But yeah, it's pretty cool to be back and be able to actually capture things. There's been so many great clips that I want to use, but I don't have audio for them. And for a while I've been recording just without the little brick on the side of my helmet, just sort of onboard audio from the GoPro microphone itself. Anyway, today's plan right now is to go to Total Wine and More, where we have to apparently find a beer that my buddy's been sort of pitched about, saying it's the best damn thing ever. Moosehead! I think they have pale ale and a lager. We're going to try to find the ale, but it's, you know, about 11 minutes away at a particular Total Wine and More, and it's not terribly bad in price either. I tried to wash the bike just before I left for this trip, and normally they just take the hose off the spigot, but the line that feeds the little spigot outdoor for the apartment car wash is snapped. It looked like it just froze because it's filled with water, and the plastic PVC just burst. So they had to kill the water at the source, and that means that well, I cannot wash the salt briny bullshittery that of which it all is off my Moto kick clay. Hey, look, a Total Wine and More. Great parking job by this guy. So now, in order for me to take off my helmet, I have to not only take off power to a GoPro, but also a microphone. It's crazy. It's crazy. This is what it is, though. So, I went to Total Wine and More, fought the traffic, and I'm still going to fight the return traffic. Oh dear God, people, I can talk already. This is crazy. So stressed out trying to ride in traffic. I've seen them around before. But yeah, they did not have any Moosehead beer. Apparently they're all out of everything. But yeah, it's probably common stock in a few other places, so I'll have to hunt down another place. But Total Wine and More, pretty cool place. I got this espresso infused beer though, so I'll have to review that at some point. Maybe I'll give my thoughts if I remember it next time I'm vlogging, but my guess it's gonna be something darn good. But anyway, if you guys enjoy content like this, fist bump the thumbs up button for me. Let me know what you think and all that jazz. Comments always welcome down below, and if you ride safe. Sonic Moto signing out.